The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to schedule your VorTech pumps using the latest version of the EcoSmart Live iPhone app. Once you have VorTech pumps in your EcoSmart Live profile, in addition to live demo and adjusting settings, you can create and program a 24-hour schedule. Each schedule is comprised of various pump modes, including setting slave and master relationships. Pumps are scheduled individually but can be programmed as a group. To get started, I will enter VorTech Control and select Schedule from the VorTech section of the main menu. You will notice that we are presented with a default schedule, as I have not yet defined a custom schedule for my VorTechs. The default schedule is made up of a few common pump modes that will run throughout the day. You might also notice a new pump mode called Transition. A transition mode is meant to be a short transitional period between two standard modes. Standard modes include constant speed, short pulse, long pulse, lagoon, reef crest, tidal swell, nutrient transport, and expanding pulse. The VorTech schedule screen not only shows a schedule, but also shows the currently selected pump at the top of the screen. To change pumps, simply tap on the pump selection and select a desired VorTech. You can use the magnifying glass icon to find the exact desired pump. The schedule list shows the start time, duration, mode, speed, and timing and type of mode. The type of mode could be a standard mode or a preset if you selected a preset. Moreover, if you have a master-slave relationship, the name of the master pump will be displayed. At the bottom of the schedule screen is an Actions button and a plus sign. The Action button is used to program the selected pump, program all pumps in the aquarium, or reset the schedule to default values. The plus sign allows you to add a new data point. Moreover, you can tap each data point to view and adjust its mode settings. I'm going to start by tapping the plus sign to add a new data point at 10 a.m. First, I'll select the time, and then a standard mode. Now I'll tap the back button in the toolbar. And now we'll tap Save to save the new data point. Now I'm going to set up a master-slave relationship in the middle of the day. First, I will modify a data point to be short pulse. Now I will select my other pump to display its schedule. I will tap the corresponding data point by time, which is at 1 p.m., and then select Slave. Now I will tap Anti-Sync and then select my other pump to create the anti-sync relationship. As I mentioned before, we have added a new mode called Transition. A transition mode has a few different options. So let's get started and take a look. First, I will locate the first transition in my schedule, which occurs at 7:50 a.m. and lasts for 10 minutes. You will notice that it is set as a linear ramp up from 20% to 50%. I would like to change this to be a different ramp type and adjust the speeds. I will start this by tapping the transition option. As you can see, we have three ramp types to select from: sine, log, and linear. I'm going to change to a log ramp type, then adjust the speeds to go from 20% to 100%. And once I am finished, I will tap the back button in the toolbar and then tap Save to commit my changes. Now that I have adjusted my VorTech schedules, I'm going to tap Actions, Program All. This will send all schedule data to my VorTechs in the aquarium and reset them to follow their schedule. Please note that each VorTech in the selected aquarium has its own schedule. This concludes our video of scheduling your VorTech pumps using the EcoSmart Live iPhone app.